Hello everyone. A few days back, my mother tested positive, and it was quite a frightening moment for all of us. And at the same time, it was a time where we could test something which my father has been claiming, that lemon drops could actually save you from coronavirus. She started having the lemon drops into her nostrils for over the period of around 5 days, and within 5 days she tested negative. It sounded superstition in the beginning, but when I started understanding the logic behind it, it definitely had science behind it. Lemon drops is actually citrus or citric acid, and when you put that into your nostrils, it actually reaches up to your throat. And this is a way where you could clean your nostrils as well as your throat, the organs which are the main entry points for the coronavirus. You are saving yourselves from covering your mouth and nose, but still you're being affected. And the way that you could stop it from reaching the other parts of your body is only through cleaning your nostrils and your throat. And using lemon drops is one of the way where you could clean it. And there is no such thing like it would create some kind of side effects. It's equal to using any nasal drops which is available in the market. There are claims which tells that there's no scientific evidence which tells that it could kill the virus. But there is scientific evidence that it could actually diminish the growth of the virus and eventually reduce the infection. And eventually, as stated, you would be tested negative and you would be saved from the virus. And there are also a few scientific evidences which suggest this. If you could just search, you'll see that there are a lot of nasal sprays which are made out of citrus, and they have been proved that it could actually kill or reduce the infection of a virus. And the recent study by the Canadian firm also states that it is important that you should be able to clean the nostrils or the area through which the virus is entering into your body. So I'll just demonstrate you how to use it. So you just take lemon and you need just 1 to 2 drops. After you put it into your nostrils, you can just put the rest of the lemon juice into warm water, and if needed you can also add a little salt and drink it. I'll tell you what does water do and this do. Once you put the drops, it reaches your throat, and when you drink water, it will reduce the tingling sensation which you have. And trust me, this tingling sensation would be only for few minutes, and after that there's nothing. And there are few claims which tells that using lemon drops would actually cause your nasal lining to destroy or something like that. There's nothing which happens like that, because it is equal to using any nasal drops. And drinking warm water will give you the relief and in turn work effectively. So guys, I'm telling this out of happiness that we were able to save my mother from the infection, even though she had other problems like BP. And I hope that you could try this. And this is not against any doctor or medical scientific things, but it is mainly to tell you out that we cannot really tell that there's no use of using home remedies. Definitely there is use of using home remedies, and using home remedies is actually natural, and we need to understand that nature is science and science is nature, and there's nothing wrong in doing this. Thank you. Take care.